Hi, wanna know how to add fingerprint on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 12? So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and here scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Fingerprints, Face Data and Screen Lock. The first condition is that you need to have at least any type of the screen lock. You can see that mine is currently on, and the screen lock includes patterns, password and pin codes. So in case that your fingerprint doesn't match, you can still unlock your phone with normal type of password. Now when you have your screen lock, here we would need to click on this fingerprint unlock. And as a next step, we would need to confirm our PIN code or any other screen lock that we have. And the fingerprint sensor is located here on the power button on the right edge of your phone. And now we would need to just simply put our finger on this sensor and then take it up, then put it back again until this animation will be fully blue. So we would need to just take our finger, then release it, and like this around 20 times until your fingerprint will be fully scanned. And this is it. As you can see, we have successfully added our fingerprint. Here we are also getting suggested to add face data, but I'll click cancel. Now here we can give the fingerprint name. I'll leave it like this and click done. And now let's test it. I'll turn off my phone, then wake it up and put my finger on the sensor, and you can see that my phone has been successfully unlocked. This is it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.